मैं तो म्यूचुअल फंड्स पे लगाऊंगा।
किट 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 किट
किट किट किट किट
ये किटकिट हटाइए। म्यूचुअल फंड्स में इन्वेस्ट करना हो तो आप स्टॉक्स पे आइए। टॉप फंड्स के लिए अप स्टॉक्स, कट द किटकिट, गेट इन द मार्केट। म्यूचुअल फंड्स आर सब्जेक्ट टू मार्केट रिस्क्स। Read all the related documents carefully before investing.
Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our Skill Courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about how to instant make money online. So let's discuss this topic. So number one is freelancing. So freelancing is the best way to earn money online. So if you do a freelancing and earn instant money, so if you have don't know knowledge about all about freelancing, so click on this I button and watch that entire video. So I will go to the Google Chrome over here. Then I will type here Upwork. Upwork. Then you see this our website. So I will click on this website. You see here your website get open like this. You see here sign up for a free. Suppose if you click, then you can upload your project from here. Okay. So right now I am tell about how to instant make money online using this website. Okay. So I will log in here. So if you are not create an account, then you have to create account first using sign up option. So I already create account. Then I will go direct to the login option. So I will log in with Google. Then your dashboard get open like this. Okay. You see here, you can also search jobs from search bars, and you can see the specialization is graphic designer. So I get the job regarding graphic design jobs. Only you look at here. Okay. Then I will click on this site. You see here, you will get all the details regarding about the pricing. Also, you will get fees in hourly basis. So if you want to apply for this job, so click on apply now. Then you will get the job and earn certain income also. Number two, online survey and market research. You can also get instant money from online service and market research. So the best website is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is the best website for mobile application as well as web application. Not only Swagbucks but Survey Junkie, Toluna, these are the best web application for this online survey. So right now we discuss about Toluna. So if you don't want information about ways to make money online, so doing nothing, so click on this I button and watch that entire video. So I will go to the Google Chrome over here. Then I will type here Toluna, T-O-L-U-N-E, Toluna survey. Then I will enter it. Then you see here toluna.com. This is our website. So I will click on this website. I will click on this sign in options. So I will go to my mail ID. I will type my mail ID over here. tanmay@gmail.com, and I will type my password. After signing, your web page get open like this. You see here your web page get open like this. Then you click on answer a survey options, or you can play games also. And you see here I get 500 points after opening account over here. After I click answer the survey, then you have to see here you can give a lot of surveys and you can earn 16,800 points over here. So when I earn 3,000 points, then I will get the $1. Okay. Then number third is selling goods online. E-commerce put the simpler practice for buying and selling of goods in online over the internet. And so if you don't know knowledge about how to make money online without any skills, so click on this I button over here and watch that video. I will click on seller account. Then you see here your seller account is open over here. Then you have to go start selling with your name and mail ID. Okay. So after you register a GST and PAN and activate your bank account. Then after you have to choose the storage, package and delivery options. Then you have to list your products. by providing your products and brand details. Okay, then after you have to deliver your orders to your customers on time and get paid within the 7 days of delivery. So this is the another way to earn money online. So number 4 is gig economic jobs. If you are get the leads to online, and if you want to willing to work as an offline, so this website is the best for you. So the name of that website is taskrabbit. So I will go to the Google Chrome over here, then I will type here, then I will click on this website. So I will tell you a little bit about this website. TaskRabbit operates the online marketplace and matches for the freelance laborers. So with the local demands and personal assistance. So more than 2.2 lakhs of people, independent workers are joined for this TaskRabbit platforms, and they can earn their works in online basis. You can see the personal assistant, future assembly, moving, delivery and handyman works. You can join any kind of works over here. Okay, then next you see, so if you want to give a certain task, so click on become a tasker. So if you want to take the task, so click on sign up option over here, and then you will create your profile and get the work also. How much services are there? I will show you first. You go to the service options over here, then you see here there are a lot of services. Then you see here first service, future task service, handyman service, moving services. You can hear a lot of services, and you can also choose of these services, and you can earn certain amount of income through this TaskRabbit website. So like that you can earn certain amount of income using this website. So if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it and subscribe my channel for more informative videos. So thank you.